Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life of Pressure. So if you're new here, do not forget to press the subscription button, like this video, and leave your sweet comments under this video. So today you guys actually requested for a makeup video, and that's exactly what we're giving you. Yes, it's on the list actually, but it's just that, you know, as a mama, I have baby and I need to take care of her. She's always needing my attention and all of that, so I'm not able to do this video. But today we are super excited because why? We have someone who is doing what? Babysitting her, obviously, and she's right here, so you might actually be hearing her voice, her sweet voice. We welcome it, but not the one that will need my attention. Sha. Now I am going to be talking throughout this video, or I hope so, I do, because sometimes I don't know how I'm going to do this, like talk while I'm drawing, while I'm doing this, while I'm doing that. I don't know, but let's just keep our fingers crossed and watch how it goes. Then I want to also let you guys know that I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not a pro, I'm not, you know, a superhero when it comes to beating makeup faces and all of that, but I try to like make myself up. And you guys said, okay, I should show you how I do that on my own face and all of that. So okay, fine, I'm gonna show you guys today. I'm not a perfect makeup artist though, so you guys should not come for me. Not when I draw like this, I say, see this girl, oh, she did not draw it for her, she's not showing us. Because this is how I do my own video. So if you think you will learn one or two from this video, stay and watch. So guys, first of all, prep your skin. I think I'll make another video on how I also prep my skin, but then I'll go in with my concealer because I have dark circles, I have marks and all that, so I like to use my concealer. Ever I have this mark, like I'm just gonna cover it. This is what I use, the medium beige. What? Let me show you. I just hope you can see. I don't think you can see it. I don't just think you can see it, but that's it. So the next thing I just applied on my face right now is my full coverage, Super Stay Full Coverage foundation. I love this because it covers most of my marks, like those marks on my face, so I like it. Meanwhile, I'll be looking down because of my mirror. My mirror is that here, so I'm just gonna, you know, blend it into my skin. Make sure when you're applying your concealer, you take it upwards like this. It helps to lift your face up. The next thing I'm going to be using is my Pro Concealer, but this time the shade is a darker shade, and this is Beautiful Bronze. This is really dark, so I'm going to be using it on this side of my face, my nose. This is for contouring actually. Sorry, I'm not saying all of that. So I'm using this for contouring. I don't know if you can see this, but so this is it, and then I bring it this way. Can you see that? Then I also come and then this pretty lady wants to do what wants to. So I'm going to be breastfeeding her while I try to see if I can still continue this video, because it's pretty important I complete this video for you guys. So let's see if this will work. So I'm going to be going in with my liquid illuminator Bone to Glow at the top of your bone. your cheekbone. That's where you apply this. This video is pretty messy. I am telling you guys, this is pretty messy. It's so unorganized somehow, but it's fine. It's fine. What? Now you want to hold my hands? Oh goodness. Alright, at the top of my cheekbone. Yeah, you should not judge my makeup skills with this video shot, because like I wish I can show you. I see. That's how it is right here. So the babysitting thing. Now for the brow, what I like to do is, first of all, I like to like brush my brow, brush it in the direction that I really want the brow to go. So I like my brow like this. Just brush it the direction you want it to go. So you feel it in. Next thing I'm going to be applying on my eyebrow is my concealer, and I'm also going to be using the Pro Concealer in medium. I'm using a flat brush to do that. Do not judge me with this video because I have a baby in my hands and I'm using one hand to do this makeup. We're getting somewhere. Let me take a picture. So guys, I'm done with my eyes because I'm going to be going with a natural look. I think I'm lucky with what I got, with what I have up here. Then I'll be going in with my Fenty Beauty lip. What's the name? Fenty Glow. Okay, it's Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. And this is the lip line I'm using is Zaron Clay Pot, so you can actually get it. Let's go Fenty. So this is the finished look of my makeup look I just shared with you guys right now. I think this is very easy for you guys to try and incorporate in your own. Like, I just hope you guys learn one or two things that you want to incorporate in your own makeup. So if you actually think I should come back with more videos like this, or just comment down below, let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to press the subscription button and also give me a thumbs up on this video. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.